Hello everyone. Today we'll discuss new topic, that is energy. Okay. In our previous video, we already discussed about work. Okay, and we solved so many numericals based on work done. Okay, so let's start the new topic, energy. Okay, we already heard this word so many times. Okay, so how in physics, how energy is defined? The capacity of an object to do work is known as what? Energy of that object. Okay, and the SI unit of work done and energy both are same. Why both are same? Because the energy possessed by an object is thus measured in terms of its capacity to do work. Okay, that's why the unit of energy and work done both are same. So you can say that 1 joule is the energy required to do 1 joule of work. Okay, got it? Now the capacity to do work came through a number of ways. One important way is to acquire this capacity is through motion. Okay, मोशन के द्वारा हम जो है ये कैपेसिटी एक्वायर कर सकते हैं. दैट इज कॉल्ड काइनेटिक एनर्जी. आई विल डिस्कस. ओके, एंड व्हेन अ बॉडी इज मूविंग इट हैज मोर एनर्जी देन when it is at rest. Another way for an object to require energy is to be a special position or in special shape. There are other ways of acquire energy too. Okay, we will discuss that in higher classes. Okay, now there are so many types of energy. One more thing, if any energy came, suppose I ask that light is what? Light is energy. Okay, and energy, any type of energy is what? A scalar quantity. Okay, ये हमेशा याद रखना. Okay, scalar quantity. So many types of energy. Okay, you can say light energy. Okay, potential energy, kinetic energy, chemical energy, electrical energy, magnetic energy. Okay, so many type of energies are there in our universe or earth. You can say anywhere. In our syllabus, there are two types of energy. First is kinetic energy. Okay, and second one is potential energy. Okay, potential energy. Only these two topics are in our syllabus, और इन दोनों को कंबाइन करके क्या बोलते हैं? मैकेनिकल एनर्जी. ओके, गॉट इट? सो वी हैव टू स्टडी ओनली पोटेंशियल एनर्जी एंड काइनेटिक एनर्जी. ओके, सो लेट्स स्टार्ट काइनेटिक एनर्जी. ठीक है. So the energy possessed by a body by virtue of its motion. Okay, by virtue of its motion. ठीक है, देखो kinetic word came from motion only. Okay, so the energy possessed okay, possessed by a body by virtue of its motion ठीक है, is called kinetic energy. ठीक है. Now let an object of mass m is moving with a uniform velocity u. Let it know an object displaced through a distance d. Okay, d by the distance d when a constant force F acts on it in the direction of its displacement. ठीक है, तो angle between the force and displacement, that is 0 degree. Okay, so the work done on the object will cause a change in its velocity. Let's its velocity change u to v. Okay, got it? And a acceleration be produced. ठीक है ना? Now let's find this distance. What is this distance? Or by the help of equation of motion, v square is equal to u square plus 2as. S, you can write s also, you can write d also, both are same. Okay, from here s d लिख देते हैं because we take d ना. Okay, d. From here d is equal to v square minus u square upon 2a. This is question number 1. Okay, got it? So work done by a force F, that is W is equal to F into T cos theta. Okay, cos theta, and the value of theta is here 0. Why? Because the angle between force and displacement is 0. ठीक है, जिस डायरेक्शन में फोर्स लग रहा है उसी डायरेक्शन में डिस्प्लेसमेंट हो रहा है. ओके, सो द एंगल इज व्हाट 0 डिग्री. ओके, फ्रॉम हियर W is equal to m into a into d, that is v square minus u square upon 2a into 1. Okay, from here this one cancel and W is equal to half m v square minus u square. Okay, got it? Or you can say that W is equal to half mv square minus half mu square. Okay, let the object is starting from rest, means u is equal to 0. From here W is equal to half mv square. Okay, half mv square. So the kinetic energy of the body when it is in the motion is equal to the amount of work done by it. Okay, so the kinetic energy of the body is ek, somewhere it is written ke also, both are same. This is also kinetic symbol of kinetic energy and that is ke also. Okay, from here this is half mv square. Got it? Got it? So this is the derivation of kinetic energy. Okay, so suppose mass is constant. Okay, then kinetic, able to see now? Okay, then kinetic energy is directly proportional to the square of velocity. Means कि अगर हम velocity को दुगना कर देंगे then kinetic will increase 4 times. Okay, if we take v constant then kinetic energy is proportional to mass. Means if we twice the mass of the object then kinetic energy will also twice or 2 times. Okay, got it? We will also see numericals based on kinetic energy also, then it will more clear. Okay, in some book there is given what work energy theorem. That is nothing. From see here, this here work done is equal to half mv square minus half mu square. Okay, this is what change in kinetic energy. So work done is also known as change in kinetic energy. Okay, we will also see the numericals on this topic. Okay, so don't be confused. Now next is potential energy. is potential energy. Potential energy, okay? Got it? So, energy possessed by a body by virtue of its position. Energy possessed by a body energy possessed by a body by virtue of its position, by virtue of its position. ओके, अब इसका मतलब क्या हुआ? पोजीशन का मतलब क्या हुआ? हाइट अबव द ग्राउंड, ठीक है ना? हाइट अबव द ग्राउंड, ओके? और कॉन्फ़िगरेशन, ओके? और कॉन्फ़िगरेशन, okay, spelling mistake. Okay, so energy possessed by a body by virtue of its position or configuration. Configuration का मतलब shape से हो गया, shape, okay, is called potential energy. Is called potential energy. ठीक है? तो देखो, जो पोटेंशियल एनर्जी होती है वो दो चीजों की वजह से होती है. एक जब हम पोजीशन को चेंज कर रहे हैं और एक जब हम शेप को चेंज कर रहे हैं. जो पोजीशन को जब चेंज करते हैं, ओके, दैट इज कॉल्ड व्हाट? ग्रेविटेशनल पोटेंशियल एनर्जी. ओके, तो टू टाइप ऑफ पोटेंशियल एनर्जी है, ठीक है? दैट इज फर्स्ट वन ग्रेविटेशनल पोटेंशियल एनर्जी, ठीक है? अब ये ग्रेविटेशनल पोटेंशियल एनर्जी होती क्या है? ठीक है, द पोटेंशियल एनर्जी ड्यू टू हाइट अबव द अर्थ सरफेस इज कॉल्ड ग्रेविटेशनल पोटेंशियल एनर्जी. ठीक है, और इसका फॉर्मूला भी प्रूफ कर लेते हैं. सपोज दिस इज एन ऑब्जेक्ट, कंसिडर एन ऑब्जेक्ट ऑफ मास m, ओके, और इसको रेज्ड करते हैं h हाइट तक. ओके, दिस हाइट इज h. ओके, so consider an object of mass m, let it raise through a height h from the ground. Okay, so the minimum force required to raise the object is बताए थे मिनिमम फोर्स इसके वेट के बराबर ही को लगाना पड़ेगा. That F is equal to mg. Okay, let the work done on the object against the gravity, that is W is equal to Ft cos theta. ओके, हम फोर्स इसको लिफ्ट करने के ऊपर क्यों लगा रहे हैं? दैट डिस्प्लेसमेंट इज आल्सो अबव. ओके, सो द एंगल बिटवीन फोर्स एंड डिस्प्लेसमेंट दैट इज 0 डिग्री. ओके, सो फ्रॉम हियर F into D into cos 0 degree, this is equal to Fd into 1. Okay, so work done on the object against the gravity, that is equal to W is equal to mg and the height, that is h. Okay, so this work done against the gravity, since work done on the object is equal to mgh and energy equal to mgh unit is gained by the objects, so this is the potential energy of the object. Okay, means EP, somewhere P is written, so mgh joule. Okay, so this is the formula of what? Gravitational potential energy. Okay, don't write, I given all the notes of this topic. Okay, just understand what I am saying. Okay, got it? Now, what is the elastic potential energy by shape? Okay, suppose the potential energy of a body by virtue of its configuration. Okay, मैं बताया था कि जो potential energy होती है that is two type. First position and second one is configuration. Position means that is, we can say, gravitational potential energy. Okay, configuration, that is elastic potential energy. Elastic potential energy. ठीक है. So what is the definition of elastic potential energy? The potential energy of a body by virtue of its configuration, okay, or shape is called elastic potential energy. Okay. For example, the potential energy stored in the coil spring of a clock is elastic potential energy. Got it? Okay. So this much only in your energy topic. Okay. Now let's see some numericals. Okay. So let's start numericals based on energy, both potential energy and kinetic energy. Okay. One more thing is left. What is the relation between kinetic energy and one topic is left in energy. Relation between kinetic energy and momentum. Okay. Got it? We know that momentum P is equal to product of mass and velocity. Okay. And we already derived the formula of kinetic energy, that is Ek is equal to half mv square. Suppose this is equation number 2 and this is equation number 1. Okay. Different ways you can make the relation between these two. Okay. So square both sides, P square is equal to m square v square. Suppose this is equation number 3. Okay. So divide 2 by 3. From here, Ek upon P square is equal to half mv square upon m square v square. Cancel out हो जाएगा, ये भी cancel out हो जाएगा. Okay. So from here, Ek able to see now? Okay. Ek is equal to P square upon 2m. Okay. From here, P square is equal to 2m Ek. Okay. From here, P is equal to under root 2m Ek, means kinetic energy. So what is the relation between momentum and kinetic energy? Momentum is equal to, okay, under root 2 into mass into kinetic energy. So P is equal to under root 2m Ek. Okay. And one more thing is I already discussed work and kinetic energy theorem. That is nothing. According to work kinetic energy theorem, the work done by a force applied on an object is equal to change in kinetic energy. Means अभी ये क्वेश्चन करेंगे तो क्लियर हो जाएगा. मीन्स Ek इज इक्वल टू हाफ एम वी स्क्वायर माइनस नॉट Ek वर्क डन. ओके. इज इक्वल टू हाफ एम यू स्क्वायर. ओके. गॉट इट. सो लेट्स डू द न्यूमेरिकल. So these two numerical we have to do in this video. Okay, so let's start. The first numerical is a cricket ball of mass 0.15 kg is moving with a velocity of 40 meter per second. Okay, so what is given? Mass of the ball, that is 0.15 kg. Okay. And velocity of the ball, very easy question, 40 meter per second. Okay, what we have to find? Kinetic energy of the ball. So the kinetic energy of the ball is half mv square. Put the value half into 15 upon 100 into 40 into 40. This will cancel out. 2 to the 4, 15 to the 30 and 30, 120 joule. Okay. So kinetic energy of the ball is how much? 120 joules. The second one is calculate the work done on a nano car. I think everyone heard this car. Okay, name of this car. Now it is discontinued. Now the calculate the work done of a nano car of mass. So the mass of the car is 650 kg. Okay, so as increase the velocity from initial velocity is 18 kilometer per hour. Okay, you have to change this into meter per second. This is very important. Sometimes students miss this. Okay, so from here 5 meter per second. V is 236 kilometer per hour. From here 36 into 5.18 to 10 meter per second. Okay, so calculate the work to be done. और अभी मैंने बताया work done is equal to change in kinetic energy. Okay, so put the values. यहाँ से half m कॉमन ले लो. ठीक है, half into mass that is 650 kg. Okay, into v square that is 100 minus u square that is 25 और ये हो जाएगा तुम्हारा half into 650 into 75. Okay, check कर लेना भाई calculation. Okay, so if we calculate this 2 3 2 2 4. Okay, calculate it and tell me what is the answer in the comment box. Okay, this will come okay, this will come 24375. Okay, joule. Okay, so in our next topic we will discuss conservation of energy, okay, and power, and we will see some more numericals. Okay, now thank you.